Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about AmpCoin. Tech Mahindra enters the metaverse with the launch of the Techverse. Tech Mahindra, one of the leading providers of digital transformation, business re-engineering services, and solutions and consulting, has announced the launch of the Techverse. Tech Mahindra's Techverse hopes to deliver immersive and interactive experiences in the metaverse for its existing customers. Tech Mahindra will leverage its leading infrastructure and network capabilities, along with its technological capabilities such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, 5G, quantum computing, and virtual reality, to build B2B use cases across different sectors, transforming customer experience, while also delivering real business outcomes. Leveraging opportunities, Tech Mahindra announced its entry into the metaverse on Twitter, posting a tweet on its official handle. Initially, Tech Mahindra will look to leverage opportunities provided by the metaverse, using several use cases such as Dealerverse, a metaverse-based car dealership, NFT marketplace Midlinist, and MetaBank, a virtual bank and gaming center. Using these use cases, Tech Mahindra will be able to offer digital and professional infrastructure companies like TRM to help usher in the future of secure blockchain and crypto use cases. TRM's transaction monitoring solution allows financial institutions and businesses to meet anti-money laundering (AML) regulatory requirements and manage their operational risk. Law enforcement agencies can also use the company's forensics tool to investigate crypto-related crime. And last news today about Ethereum, assessing whether other chains in DeFi might soon take its place. Chains are keen to hike their total value locked TVL dominance, as this is a way to amp up adoption and boost their presence in this space. Ethereum is thought to be the reigning DeFi alt, but as the markets grow larger and more bridges and links are formed, what are investors choosing? Clash of the Alts. The 2021 yearly crypto review by Token Insight revealed some noteworthy trends by coins in the multi-chain DeFi space. First and foremost, the report took a look at Ethereum's sliding dominance, which has not been subtle. The report stated, compared to 2020, Ethereum dominance declined from 99% to 70%. Looking at data from 2022 shows how this decline has only continued through the first 3 months of the year. As of 13 March, Ethereum's TVL was only 54.73% of the total. Chains with rising dominance include Terra with a share of 12.48% and Avalanche with a share of 5.51%. Terra, Solana and Avalanche became later competitors since September. That said, 2022's stats did show that B500 indices have also turned green to score gains above 2% at press time. While assets perceived as riskier in the minds of investors, including growth stocks and Bitcoin, tend to bleed as monetary policies tighten up, the FOMC statement came in line with expectations, shedding fears that a more hawkish set of policies could have been announced instead. And second news today, opinion: US Treasury confirms we can remove illicit activity from Bitcoin FUD dice. It's time to take illicit activity off the FUD dice. Earlier this month, the U.S. Department of the Treasury published reports that indicated that the use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for illicit activity is far outstripped by the use of traditional assets. Critics can no longer credibly present the specter of illicit activity to beat back Bitcoin. Now the foremost experts in the world say it is not a major threat. Case closed. Staff of the U.S. Treasury, the authors of the report, are the most knowledgeable and best equipped investigators and enforcers against illicit financing in the world. Moreover, the reports were reviewed by other U.S. government partners, including the Department of Justice, the Department of Homeland Security and the FBI. There could not be a more authoritative source to convey these findings. Of course, the Treasury's reports confirm what industry participants have demonstrated for years. The most recent edition of the Crypto Crime Trends report published by blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis, for instance, found that just 0.15% of cryptocurrency transaction volume in 2021 involved illicit addresses. The recent arrest of the alleged Bitfinex hackers and the seizure of nearly 100,000 Bitcoin also demonstrates that moving large sums of money on a public network that can be monitored from a Raspberry Pi isn't as easy as, well, Pi. But the reports also confirm what we know from common experience. That we use Bitcoin far more frequently for storing wealth and sending money to family members, and reducing emissions and making micropayments, and fleeing the freaking Taliban, than for illicit finance. Price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.